A common question I get asked all the time from shark owners is, where is the lift away button on my shark vacuum cleaner? Well, it depends on which model you have. There's 3 different locations and I'm going to show you them today. The lift away is a great feature of shark upright vacuum cleaners. It means you can take the main body off the vacuum cleaner if you're doing stuff like the stairs or the car. The most common location for the lift away button, and it's labelled quite clearly on these kinds of models, is at the back, just in the corner near the bin. If you press that with your thumb and then pull up the bin handle, the whole body comes off. And then you can press the handle release to turn it into a vacuum that you can carry around with you. The second most popular location for the lift away button on your shark could be on the handle on top of the bin. Okay, so you'll have a button at the back of the handle that you press with your thumb as you lift the bin up, and then the process is just the same as the last one. The third and final location for the lift away button is on a more basic shark model, and it's on a little pedal at the side of the vacuum cleaner just here. You press this down, and as you do that, lift up the bin, and then you'll have to take off the wand and then release the handle as well. And then you get your vacuum cleaner again that you can carry around with you. Another quick video today, but again, it's another way of answering more questions from shark owners. If you're struggling with your shark in general, please check out this next video. I'll show you exactly how to use it and also some features that you may not know about.